नमस्कार। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री गुरु दत्तात्रेयाय नमः। February 25, 2026 Wednesday. श्री विश्वावसु नाम संवत्सर उत्तरायण शिशि ऋतु फाल्गुन मास शुक्ल पक्ष तिथि नवमी till 2:57 AM next day. नक्षत्रम रोहिणी till 2:09 PM. योगा विष्कंभम till 2:08 AM next day. Karanam Balwa till 4:07 PM, followed by Kaulava till 2:57 AM next day. Vajram from 6:45 AM to 8:43 AM and again from 7:24 PM to 8:54 PM. Durmuhurtam from 11:50 AM to 12:36 PM. Amritakalam from 11:11 AM to 12:40 PM and again from 4:23 AM to 5:53 AM next day. Rahu Kalam from 12 PM to 1:30 PM. Yamaganda or Ketu Kalam is from 7:30 AM to 9 AM. Sun sign Kumbham Aquarius. Moon sign Vrishabham Taurus. Sunrise at 6:26 AM and sunset at 6:01 PM. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Shubhamastu.